Day 3 of Goa, and I don't want to leave. Packed everything. So I'll check out now, but I'll keep my bags here. Because it's still something there we have to see. Got tan. I got fined 500 for coming in wrong way. Because Google Map betrayed me again. I lost my 500. After lots of messed up journey, I came here and still I am feeling bad about giving that fine. They were talking to me only in Hindi. And I told him, okay, I don't know Hindi. So he was like, it's a Rashtra Bhasha, you have to know that. I was like, eh? Really? These people and their egos never ends. Yeah, now we are in Old Goa. Let's go. I'll show you more. Again. Wow. This Basilica of Bom Jesus. Yes. It's good. I lost my mood to take the photos. Okay, no issue. I have to do something. Yeah. First of all, I didn't get what is it about this Basilica of Jesus. It's okay. Nothing more to say. It's a business somewhere. It's a belief somewhere. Yeah. I had a plan to go to lots of churches in Old Goa. But yeah, I'm done. Now let's go and explore something. Ah. I really need ice cream to fix this. Not churches, right? No, I don't want churches. Like something except churches where I can explore.
Explore, you go to 10-kilometer Mangeshi temple.
10 kilometers?
Yes.
Wow.
Mangeshi temple.
Huh.
And this broken church for Augustine Tower.
Yeah, I got chocobar. Do? Oh, you forgot? After one ice cream, I'm feeling good. See? We smile. Okay, now we will go and explore something. There are some shops out there. So yeah, let's see. And lots of Malayalis are here. That's making me feel good. The church, and here we have a market, like a shopping center. So let's go and find out. Yeah, it's good. We got one place, Divar Island. I don't know that is the correct pronunciation, but yeah, Divar Island. Let's go. And this boat is going to Divar Island. Bye-bye. We came into another side, Divar Road. Nature can fix where the belief couldn't fix. It's correct only. Otherwise, I'll give the subtitle. So, Divar Island is an island. Divar Island, it's a big island. Divar Island, Divar Island, and Divar Island, Island. So, Divar Island, it's a big island first of all. And here, it is like a free space, you can say. Police won't come. And if you want to go, if you want to go out of from here, you have to take the boat. Otherwise, you don't have any other way. Then, yeah, I love it. It's like a community. Like no one will come to you that much, but yeah, it's good. It is not special food from Goa, but I don't know. This is the first time I'm having this much tasty plantain. Satisfied. Amazing thali. A cheap price. So good. It's fully just 130 rupees. And yeah, So good. And I became the owner of this hostel. You guys have to say hi, okay? Okay.
Hi, okay?
No,
Hi,
just
okay.
just hi only.
Hi. Hi, okay.
Ah,
How are you?
good.
Fine.
Yeah. Today I had a good outfit, so I'll show you. I hope you guys remember him from my day 2 of vlog. Finally, back to back seat. Before going back, saying a bye to Kolva Beach. Pakvada. Trying poi. It's a Goan food. Yeah, it's good. You guys have to say bye. Bye. City stay, AC deluxe dormitory. The best experience I had. Yeah, it was so good. These people just made me safe here. To feel safe here. Oh yeah. Okay, we are going in general. Gained weight because of eating. Got tan because of traveling. But Goa gave me the best memories, the courage to do the things. And yeah, met lots of good humans. Yeah, and had some few bad experiences. But everything was a part of the journey. The one I was dreaming of, solo trip. Really just want to cry. Yeah, it was so good. Now nothing is there more. It was a good journey. It was so good journey. And I'll cry after some time. Now I can't cry. So from Goa, Adina is signing off here. Bye bye.